What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's been a few weeks since my last one. Been keeping pretty busy. Been working on my company, but now I'm back and I want to share some stuff with you guys. Today we're gonna be making a lentil loaf. It's not a meatloaf, it's a lentil loaf. Instead of meat, we're using lentils. I've had it in the past. Found this recipe online, probably during the quarantine.
That sounds about right.
And I made it for myself, and then I've made it multiple times after that, and I really like it. It's very good, especially when it's freshly made, right out of the oven. It tastes delicious.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
So yeah, I figured we go straight into it, show you guys how to make it. Today we're not gonna be making any vegetable juice. I figured we change it up a little bit, and you guys let me know what you guys think. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it would help me out a lot. Now, let's go into the kitchen. All right, guys, so before I start making this food, just know that I'll leave the link down below with the exact recipe. I got this from a website and I've been using it ever since, just for this recipe. I haven't really checked their other stuff out, but this recipe is really good. So the things that we're gonna need today, the list of ingredients. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a large onion chopped, about 1 cup, 1 carrot chopped, about half a cup, 1 celery chopped, about half a cup, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1.5 cups of cooked lentils, 1 cup of quick cooking oats, half a cup of chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. You can also use regular flax seeds, and you can just put them in the blender and then it'll turn into a powder form, just like the way it is with the ground flax seeds. 2 tablespoons of tamari or gluten-free soy sauce, whatever you want to use. I'm not going to use any of that because I don't have any. Yeah, I've never used it in the past, and it still tastes good that way without it. What's it called? We're also going to be using 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, that's optional, half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and freshly ground pepper. And for the glaze, we're gonna be using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So that's it. So one thing's for sure, if you guys are gonna make this recipe, make sure you eat it the same exact day, because the next day, if you reheat it, it's not gonna taste exactly the same as the day you make it. Because of the glaze. The glaze, I don't know, it just doesn't taste the same. It tastes a lot better on the day you make it. So keep that in mind when you make this, and yeah, let's get started. It's gonna be fun. It's nice and easy. It's not really that complicated to make. You're gonna need a food processor, by the way. You're gonna need a food processor, and yeah, we'll just make everything so much more easier. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, it's finally done, and it smells so good. I feel like I'm gonna eat like probably like half of this. You're gonna get like probably like 4 good pieces. This is enough for like 3-4 people, depending how much you eat. If you eat like me, then it's probably only like for like 2 people. But it's worth it. It's worth it. It's really good. It shouldn't take you that long to make. Probably should only take you like an hour. It took me multiple hours because I had to record a bunch of angles. I was using 2 cameras. It was a lot of work, but it was worth it. It smells so good. I'm gonna try it out. Can you guys see this? Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't have a camera guy today, so yeah. All right, let's try it out. Oh my God. So good. That glaze that goes right on top of it, it's what gives it that like, that flavor. It's like the, oh my gosh. It was so worth it. That glaze just tastes so good. So good. The syrup makes it so sweet. Oh, it's so perfect. I'm about to eat the whole thing. It's very important when you put all the ingredients in the processor not to pulse it too many times, because then you're not gonna get that much texture out of the lentil loaf. You're not gonna feel like the little pieces of celery or carrot or onion. I got it right where it had to be. It's like perfect. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see this, but it's like, oh my gosh, it tastes so good. It tastes amazing. So good. All right, I'm gonna stop eating. I ended up using only like 1 carrot. I didn't use 3 carrots. 1 carrot was like enough for like more than a cup actually. And yeah, 1 carrot was more than enough. And then I used like 2 sticks of celery. You guys saw that? Yeah, doesn't matter how much vegetables you use. It's just like really up to you. Just make sure you use more than half a cup for each vegetable that's in this recipe. Definitely do that. But yeah, it's like, it just varies. Like, what do you prefer? Do you like more vegetables? Do you like less vegetables? I like the more vegetables, the better, you know? All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment below if you would like to see more videos just like this one, more recipes. And please don't forget to share this video, because that would help me distribute the video even more. If you actually enjoyed it and you want to see more of this type of content. I know it was kind of short, but there's not really much to say. I mean, I liked it a lot. A lot. You guys are gonna like it too. I'm pretty sure you will. See you guys on the next video, and God bless, and peace out.